button ron is wala may filter. Diba, negra man ko guys. I'm not use filter for now. Look me, I am negra. Pagtarong na, nag-video si mama. Oh, I'm negra, look. Look. Ah, don't cry, don't cry. Mag-angry ang kuan, kuling-kuling. Mabi, mag-cry. Pagtaya-taya. Drink of milk. Drink of milk. Ay, gisapot na pod ko. Sinasapot ang aking anak ngayon. O, yun nga. For today. I'm not make video last days. Because my anxiety is coming. Kasi na-anxiety ako. Tapos, grabe yung postpartum ko. Tumatay ako ng dugo. Kaya, grabe yung depress ko. Yun ang epekto niya. So, kaya yun. Grabe yung sakit ko ngayon. Diba? Kaya haggard ako masyado. Hindi pa ako okay talaga sa buhay ko. Grabe pa yung stress ko. Kaya, ayan. Tarong anak. Ayoko, anak. Nak. Oh. Ganyan yung buhay ko. Nahihirapan ako huminga. Ganon. Kasi sa postpartum ko, saka sa anxiety. So, diba ang negra-negra kong talaga sa buhay? Ayaw magdidi yung anak ko. He have a fever and he not cooperate me to breastfeed. Not cooperate. What I can I do? He don't like also to breastfeed because he have a fever also. We all have sick. Yeah, and too much ugly. I saw auntie. Aray! I think he threw me. You know, he throw always the mobile for me. What you want? You want YouTube? What you eat, Nak? What you eat? You eat something? He cannot touch. So, he have also fever. Because his teeth is coming, the 2 pieces teeth and up and down this here. And that's why he have a fever also. Wait. His mood is broken. I don't know to talk in English. So, baby shark.